Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss how to write in numerals if the number name is given. Okay, so before that, let us discuss last day's homework. Everybody, please take your homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Take your notebook, and last day I have given 2 homework questions. So please take it. Please take it. Let us discuss the answer now. So question F 425 and yes, Rukma, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the number name.
42, 5.
Is it 42.5, my dear? To write number name, first what we have to do? Rukma,
Yes, ma'am.
first what we have to do?
425.
First we have to write the places. First we have to write the places of each digit. So here 5 is in which place?
1.
Wait, one more question was there. 308. So
One.
5 is here. For the first question, 5 is in ones place.
1's place.
Okay. Now 2 is in
10's place.
tens place. 4 is in
100 place.
hundreds place. Now try to read the number.
425.
Have you understood now?
Yes.
Have you done homework?
Yes.
Okay. So 425. Correct answer. 425.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome here. Now, next question. All of you check your answer. Everyone. Please check your answer. Next question. Able CB, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question G, last day's homework. Question G, to write number name. 8 is in which place? Able?
1's place.
One's place. 0 is in
10's place.
tens place. And 3 is in
100 place.
hundreds place. Now, will you read the number?
308.
Very good. Here, tens place 0 is there. So, no need to mention that place. So, 308.
8.
308. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
308. If you check your answer. Have you all got correct answer? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am.
No. Everybody understood.
Right. Yes, ma'am. I can write.
This one was homework, my dear. These 2 questions were homework.
Write it.
My dear, this These questions last day I sent as homework question.
Ma'am.
Now, just now we discussed the answer. If anybody is there to write, please do it alone and after that check answer. I will again send the answer in the group. Okay.
Ma'am. Right. Ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Oh, then please listen what I am saying. See, these two questions were homework questions that last day I sent in the group. Just now we discussed the answers. If anybody is there to write, left to write, please write down the questions from the group and try to answer yourself. The answer again I will send today in the group. You can check from there. Okay, now please don't copy from the board. Try to do yourself and check your answer from the group. You all do that?
Yes,
You all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You simply copy, you won't understand. So do one thing, try to do yourself and check the answer. The answer will be there in the group. Again, I will send. Okay?
Ma'am, which book write?
My dear, last day where you have written all the questions?
Ma'am.
Where you have written in the...
what book?
So the same notebook you can write. Okay. Now
Ma'am?
close your book. Everybody close your book.
Ma'am, write notebook or rough book.
My dear, the homework questions we should write in the notebook.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
If anybody is there left to write, you can do it after the class. Okay.
Ma'am.
And try to do it yourself. Okay. Now everybody close your book. Everybody close your book. All the books. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Today finished.
Yesterday vote completed, my dear.
Write that.
You already written that answer data itself. Okay, good. Now, all of you please close your book and listen. Next one is, please close your books. Keep your pencil down. Fold your hands and listen. Now, write in numerals. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Or no?
Ma'am.
Write in numerals. No need to write anything. Please fold your hands and listen. Now, let us see if number name is given, how we will write the number in numerals. For example, the number is given in words like this. 500, 562. Please listen. Please don't write now. These questions no need to copy down anywhere. Please hold your hands and listen. I will give you some other problems to copy in the notebook. Then 800 and 19. Then one more question. 700 and 7. 707. Okay. Now please listen. How to write the number in numerals. In number. Here, 500 and first question. Let us see. First question. 562. To write the number in numeral, first, you know, these are 3-digit numbers. So how many places are there for a 3-digit number?
3.
3 places are there.
3 places.
Which are the places?
10, 100.
1 tens, 100 or 100 tens, ones. So first, let us write that HTO. Then the first question, how many hundreds are there? So the question is HTO. 562. So how many hundreds? 500. So in 100 place you can write 5. And 62. 62. How we will write 62?
62.
The digits are 62. That means in tens place we should write which digit? 6. And in the ones place we should write 2. See, this is the number. So if you want to write in numerals, 562 are the digits. You can read this 562. Okay. This is the way you have to write in numerals.
562.
Yes. Next question the same way. 890. Avish Boban.
I'm sorry. 560.
Avish Boban, please listen here. I cannot see your face. Wait, let me ask to Avish. Avish Boban, please unmute. This is also 519. So this is also a 3-digit number. There are the places 100, tens, ones. Avish? Avish, can you hear me? Yes or no? Okay. So 819. So how many hundreds? 819. So under the 100 place, which digit we have to write? 8, because it is given 800. So there are 800s. Then 19. When you write 19, which all digits you have to use? Which are the digits we should use? Or we should write? To write 19. Avish.
19.
19. So 1 we should write in tens place and 9 we should write in the ones place. So the digits are 819. This one you should read as 819. Clear? Is that clear to you? Yes or no? Avish?
Yes.
Okay. Now next question to Johan. Please unmute. Okay, Johan. 707. So the same way, HTO. 707. So hundreds place.
7.
7 because it is written 7. So 700. And 7.
0.
Tens place we should write 0 because here tens place is not mentioned. Okay. After 700 it is only 7. That 7 we can write in the which place?
Ones.
We should write in the ones place. And tens place 0 because tens place is not mentioned. So 707 is are the digits. And we can read it as 707. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Let us do a few
Yes,
questions.
ma'am.
Let us do a few questions.
Yes. Yes.
Everybody open your notebook. Open your notebook. Put today's date. Put today's date and write the heading. Write in numerals. Write in numerals. Write
Ma'am,
in
write.
numerals. Yes, start it. Yes.
Fresh page.
Sorry? No, no need. You can continue. No, you take fresh page. Okay. And the questions are,
I have not played.
if you don't have space, you can start in the next page. Okay. 756.
Please read.
Sorry? Sorry?
Please read.
Which one? The side heading. Write in numerals. Numerals
Ma'am.
means
Right.
write. 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 In. 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 Numerals.
To write that.
Yes. You have to write this in your notebook.
Heading.
Yes. This is the heading. 700 and 756. FIFGY SIX 56. 756.
My right heading.
Yes, you can write the heading. You can write the questions now. Answer, you should write alone. After that, we will discuss the answer. 420. 400 and 20. Then 905. 900 and 905. FIV. Next one. 905. Then 796. 796. 796.
Can you mute your audio?
Completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Those who haven't completed, do it.
പിന്നെ ക്ലാസ് ഇങ്ങനെ പറയണ്ടേ
Who is talking in Malayalam over there? Fardeen. Doing. Let us discuss the answer. Are you all ready?
Not finished, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Wait, wait.
Not finished. I have completed.
I'll give you 1 more minute. Within that, try to complete it. Okay. So let us discuss the answer one by one. Those who haven't completed, please do it fast. Ritik, please unmute. Ritik Sunil, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
First question. 756. So let us write HTO first. Then
7.
So here 700s are there. 700 is written. So in 100 place we can write 7. In tens place,
56.
in tens place here, next digit what we have to write?
5.
5. Then
6.
6. 756. This one you should read as 756. Correct answer, my dear. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next question. Ivania, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, HTO 420. So 100 place, what we have to write? Which digit we have to write?
4.
4. Very good. 400. So here 400s are there. And 20. So tens place, which digit we have to write? 20. To write 20.
0.
Tens place. Tens place. How you will write 20? Ivania, how you will write 20? To write 20, which all digits you have to write? Ivania,
0.
only 0? Only 0?
2.
2 and 0. So where we should write 2?
Tens.
Tens place. So tens place we should write 2 and ones place we should write to write 20, 0. Yes. So 420. This one you should read as 420. Correct answer, my dear. Is that clear to you? Ivania? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay. Okay. Next question. Two. Some are going to get chance. That's why let them. Yes. Haya. Sorry, Hadia. Your Hiba is written. Please rename when you enter the class. Okay. Please unmute here. Hadia.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. 905. So HTO. 905. So 100 place, which digit we should write?
9.
9. Because it is written 900. So 905. 5.
0.
Sorry? Tens place?
0.
0. And ones place?
5.
Ones place?
5.
5. Correct answer. Very good, my dear. So let me write a little more. HTO 905. So the digits are 905. We should read as 905. Correct answer. Very good. Now, next question 2. Please wait. Next question 2. Who is there to get chance? Naomiga. Yes, please unmute Naomiga. Unmute. Yes. HGO. Naomiga. 796. 796. So 100 place. 100 place, which digit we should write? 796 is the number. So 100 place here. Under H, which digit we should write? Which is the number? 700. Listen here. 796. So 100's place, which digit we should write? How many hundreds are there in this number? If it is 900, we should write 9. If it is 420, we should write 4. If it is 700, we should write 7. Like that here, 700 is the number starting with 700. So how many hundreds? Try. Don't look at here. Sister is there. sitting near to you? Huh? Don't ask the help from here, sister. Try yourself. See, dear, what is written here? 700. So in 100 place, which digit we should write? Try. It is wrong also, no problem. Try. 700 means in 100 place, which digit we should write, my dear? Very easy. Okay, let me ask to somebody else. Sangal, please unmute and tell me in 100 place which digit we should write.
709.
I asked under 7, under 100 place which digit we should write.
7.
7. Naomiga, have you understood now? It is clearly given 700. So 100 place which digit we should write? 7. After that 96. 96. How to write 96? Sangal. Sangal, are you there? How to write 96? Sangal, please unmute and tell me. Unmute and tell me.
9. 6.
9. 9 in tens place and in ones place?
6.
6. Yes. So 7, 9, 6. This one you should read as 796. Okay, is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
There is
Yes.
2 homework questions. Naomiga, have you understood? Are you listening here? Naomiga?
Ma'am?
Have you understood now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, please do the homework question. If you have any doubt, please ask me and listen to the class. Okay.
Ma'am?
And now I'm going to give you a small daily test that E and F are homework questions that I will share in the group. Please do it for the next class. Okay. So now please close your books and ready for the daily test.
Ma'am, you're sending in the chat box.
Yes. Please see.
I got it.
There are 2 questions. Before that, please enter your name, class and division. After that, write in numerals. Seven 765. 765. Think and click the correct answer. Then next question, 402. 402.
Ma'am, each and completed.
Those who have completed, okay.
Ma'am,
Very good, very good. So those who submitted, okay, others please sit there and submit. Now time is up. Let us wind up the class. Bye.
I got 2 out of 2.
See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye.